All right, guys, it's Gary Dean, DetailJuice.com, Infinity Custom Works. Now we'll have a second location. I'm about to walk you through our potential new second location, which will operate as a product display and all the things. So let me show you what's going on. All right, so here's the unit. We got plenty of room to pull a boat around and back it into the bay. So I'll have this single bay here. The door there is right at 10 foot wide and right at 11 foot tall. Pedestrian door, goes straight in. Should be able to pull a boat in no problem. I've got about 38 feet from this wall to that back wall. So plenty of length. You can see the bay door there. Got some storage stuff. We'll be changing all that up and probably changing all this area as well. But we've got this side area on the side of the door. Coat of paint. There are some air-conditioned offices. So let me take you back and show you that. There's a utility sink here in the back, first aid. It has 2 bathrooms, one of which is here. Definitely dirty, got to clean it up. There's some storage space up there. There is a second bathroom here. There's also a office here. Very nice size office. Again, central AC'd. This will be the front area where we might have a product display. Matter of fact, that's perfect for a product display. Things are changing for DetailJuice.com, just so you know. Stay tuned. All right, this is the front pedestrian door. It's an RV repair place there. There's a power sports place back there. There's other random things, but this is the front of the strip. So this officially is the front of the new shop. And so when you come here, you'd come in the front, or if you're dropping off a boat, you come to the back. And that's it. So I'll walk you through once I have made the deal and figure out things and we get this situated. But I'm looking to open up shop here and do a lot of boats with the Versacoat 13. Also have a product display, also doing cars, all the things. This seems like a perfect location, second location for the Infinity Custom Works situation. So thanks for watching, guys. If you've got questions, let me know. But this is the potential new shop, if I can work everything out, which looks like we can. I'll be moving into this soon. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out DetailJuice.com for all your product needs, and InfinityCustomWorks.com will be live soon. Thank you, guys. Have a great day.